Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Airtable for a political event management full 2025 guide. First things first, you'll want to create a base. This is your main container where you'll store all your data related to the political event. Go to the Airtable homepage, click on Add a Base, and then Start from Scratch. Now that we've done that, remember, this step is pivotal because it's the foundation of your entire project. Next up, we're going to add tables. Think of tables as individual spreadsheets within your base. For a political event, you might need tables for attendees, sponsors, agenda, and volunteers. You can easily add tables by clicking on the plus sign beside your existing tables. This helps us because it keeps everything organized and easy to find. Now we'll add fields in each table. These are your columns in the spreadsheet. For example, in the attendees table, you might have fields like name, email, RSVP status, and dietary preferences. To add a field, click on plus Add Field and choose the appropriate field type. The reason we do this is to capture all the important information we need for each aspect of the event. Once you've set up your fields, it's time to populate your tables with data. You can manually type in data, or if you have a large amount of data, you can import it using the Import Data option. This step is crucial because without data, you won't be able to track or analyze anything. Now let's talk about views. Airtable lets you create different views for your data, like a grid view, calendar view, or Kanban view. For instance, you could use a calendar view for agenda to visually see your event schedule. To create a view, click on Add View and select the type you want. This matters because different views can help you better analyze your data and make informed decisions. Finally, it's time to share your base with your team. Click on Share and enter your team members' email addresses. They'll receive an invitation to join your base. This step is essential because it ensures everyone in your team has access to the same data and updates. And there you have it. You've now got the basics on how to use Airtable for managing a political event. Remember, it's all about being organized and having a clear overview of your data. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.